We are back again at our 1984 mobile home doing what we do. We are a DIY family. That means we do everything ourselves. And we are building this home. This doesn't look like an old trailer, but this is just an old vintage trailer that wasn't worth anything. And we bought it and we repaired all the damage. And now we're bringing it back to life. Right now we're working on insulation. And so we picked up a few bundles here behind me. And we're going to continue getting these walls filled up to make this house more comfortable so that we can finally close up the walls and finish this job up. So that's all. I'm going to get right into it. Good. So there it is. One wall done. This is the bedroom. Now we can turn around and do the other side. This end wall doesn't need insulation because it has plywood covering the wall. It's like a shear wall for strength. And behind that is the original insulation. We didn't touch it. So I'm going to start hitting this wall. So now we got both sides of this bedroom done and it is finished. We can move back to the living room and continue down this wall. And I don't know how far we're going to make it, but we should get past the living room even further down. So let's see what we can get done today. Well guys, living room is done. We did the wall over here behind you last time we were here. So now we've officially completed half the house's insulation, because that wall you see is the center of the home. So bedroom and living room is half the home done. Inside the bathroom here, we already insulated that wall previously behind this faux wall. So the framing you see is just a wall inside of the wall, and behind that house wrap is insulation. So this wall is all done. Kitchen and dining area is 100% complete. We did that last time too. So I'm gonna move down to this end bedroom. You can see we have a few pieces in the wall already. That's just because we had some leftover pieces previously and decided to stuff them in the wall to get them off the floor. And here is the final update for today on the insulation. Got this bedroom wall almost done. I got a little nugget up there I have to fill, and a little bay on the side. But I was able to get all of this done too. So we just got one here, and then this end wall. Pretty much, that's it. So I would say 2 more bundles of insulation and we can wrap up all the exterior insulation. I'm still going to be insulating some of the interior walls. Not all of them, some of them, depending on where they are. Just for some extra sound deadening and fireproofing. So we'll see how that goes. But I will say one more time, the reason we're doing rock wool instead of fiberglass, because we've switched around different types, is just because this is denser, and I think it does a better job of insulating. It does a better job of resisting insects and water, and those were the main issues that we saw in this mobile home: water damage, insect damage. So that should help keep those wall bays filled and well sealed and resist all of that stuff. It's going to hold up, and I just like it. So that's what we're using. It is itchy. Don't be fooled by me working with it. It's my arms are itchy. It's definitely not super pleasant to work with, but it's easy to work with, and as long as you're not smashing it around, it's not too bad. We're using a variety of insulations just depending on what we need and where we need it. I needed a lot up there. It's cheaper and easier to shove fiberglass in that area. Fiberglass in the ceiling, just easier to work with. Compresses easier. And fiberglass in some of the walls even, because they're both comparable. On an interior wall, it's not going to matter too much. I would think this might have a better fire retardancy, but I don't know. So believe it or not, it is a new day right now, and we don't want to keep you guys waiting, so we went ahead and picked up another 2 bundles of insulation. We're going to finish up this job so we can move on from all the insulation work.
Just let them do what they want to do.
You know, doing this insulation job really makes me happy that I did not run the wires through the walls. So much easier.
Yeah.
All right, that's one bundle done. Well guys, we just finished up all the insulation work. So you can see the bedroom is done. You can see I even took some time to throw some insulation that we had left over in the interior walls. So creating as much fire block sound deadening as I can, filled up that wall. You guys saw previously kitchen is done. Let's swing around into the living room. You can see living room is done. And I also got this wall all insulated, which is awesome. That's the back side of our closet. And here we are in the front bedroom, 100% complete all the way around. There's a couple of spots like in the closet, but it's not a big deal. I'm not even going to worry about it. I wasn't even sure if I wanted to do the interior walls, but I'm happy with the ones that I did get done, the main ones. I should show you over here too. This is the back side of the bathroom wall. We got this one done. So we just had this fiberglass left over, so we used some fiberglass on the interior walls. This is looking really good. So with that, I think we're done, and I'm happy because I can move on from insulation. I'm going to go home, get cleaned up, get all this itchiness off me, and then we can put this aside, clean up all the mess. We're going to get this house cleaned out because it's time to start putting in finished walls. It's hard to believe that we made it here already, but that's what time we're at. I don't know if we're going to get to it super soon, but first let's get it cleaned up, let's get organized, make our game plan. And we're going to start probably in the kitchen, get the bathroom done. I'd love to do the bathroom. I got some cool things I want to show you in there. So stay tuned for all of that. That's all we have for now. Thanks for watching. And until next time, take care.